Lamborghini North Los Angeles proudly presents this 2014 Land Rover Range Rover Autobiography. Equipped with a 5-liter, 510 horsepower supercharged V8 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission with all-wheel drive. This car is finished in a gorgeous Santorini Black Metallic exterior and Luggage Tan leather interior. This Range Rover is fully loaded with options including metallic paint, Autobiography trim, leather trim finish, Santorini black, ebony headliner, 22-inch wheels, wood leather steering wheel, executive class rear seats, rear center console cooler, sliding panoramic roof, shadow walnut veneer, and much more.